Hi guys, Will here. I'm going to be doing another cleaning video. Yesterday we had a great day, caught redfish, flounder, gaff top sail cat, and whiting. And I'm going to be cleaning those this morning. They're going to be 4 separate videos though. So let me show you what our catch looks like. I packed it really well yesterday. I normally don't wait an extra day, but I was exhausted yesterday. So let me show you what we caught. Happens. So that's the ice I've taken out. I packed 20 pounds of ice. So I put ice on the bottom, put ice on the bottom, put the fish in, and then I packed 20 pounds on top. And I want you to notice the color is still really good. That's what happens when you pack them right and bring them home. We keep them in a live well on the boat, so when we pull them off the boat, they're generally still alive, and they look fabulous, so the meat and everything should be great today. Just your flounder. Flounder is very easy to clean. So what we're going to do, you're going to start with your knife and you're going to go directly down that backbone. And that's why I have 3 knives, just in case one's not sharp. Again, these are the only knives I really like. These are the Rapalas. So I've got my first cut down the backbone. I'm going to turn the knife slightly and follow out down the bones. They're very simple to clean. Got to take my daughter to work, so I'm in a bit of a hurry, but we will make this happen. Okay. I'm going to come up, follow right along the head. Get to your outside. Kind of push down on the knife to get a little bit of flex. And first fillet. Flip it back around. Get in on that side of the backbone. Just follow on out. Just like that. Flounder are one of the easier fish to clean. That's one of the reasons I really like them. Now this is the gut cavity. I'm actually going to try not to cut through that. You can do what you want, but there's not really much meat there. And so I don't mess with it. I try to leave them as whole as possible. I'm just going to take that right off. Fillet number 2. Now there's 4 fillets on a flounder. Flip it over. Same thing on the back side. These fillets are generally thinner. On your back side, not generally, sorry. They're always thinner. Just trimming. Keep working my way out. That's going to be the gut cavity there. I'm going to come back to my other side. Take the top off first. And I did get into the gut cavity a little bit, so we are going to have to rinse these fillets really good. You see there's some dark. Hold your fillet and come right off. And you should end up with a pretty paper thin area here. There's the 4 fillets off your flounder. That's all you got left is that little bit there. Okay, now we're going to rinse these fillets just off in cold water. And because I'm in a hurry, I am not going to skin these fillets today. Skinning is pretty easy. I will skin one so you can see how to do it. Some people leave the skin on and cook it with the skin on. dust my board off. Get that gunk off of there. I don't want that. You don't want that getting into your fish. Flip it back up. Okay, so if you want to take your skin off, clean the knife off. Take your knife, come in just like this, and I'm just holding that tail, and you're just going to slide down along that skin. Now with flounder, you can cut really close to the skin, trying to keep it as close as you can so you don't lose any meat. There is no black line, so you end up with a beautiful fillet. If you're not vacuum sealing your fish, a little trick is take your meat, skin away. So I'm going to lay these two out. That's the one I already skinned. Like this, meat to meat. And then stick it in your bag like that. Since I already filleted that one out, that skin will protect it from freezer burn. And there you go, 1 pack of flounder. Thanks for joining me. I just started doing these videos, so if you like these videos, please give me a like, a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe so I can continue to bring you these videos, and make a comment about the videos you'd like to see. Don't forget, we'll be traveling in the U.S., fishing for all sorts of different fish. That's in the plans, but probably 4 or 5 years down the road, we're working up to that point. Like, we all have to work up to our goals. So, please subscribe, and if you get a chance on the forum, someone asks how to clean something, and you think this is a good video, please share it. Just put a link in there for me. That really helps. That helps get new people and keep the channel growing. And it's subscribers like you that make this happen. Thanks for being there. Bye.